ready to pull up on these fools?
That might be real.
Everybody back outside, it look like. Scat right here with the lights on. Supra. Y'all see it. Cat. Thing in the corners and the edges first. What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al, man, and y'all tune back in with them Jennings boys, man, and we back with another video for y'all, man. Make sure y'all stop what y'all doing. Go hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell. Go like this video right now. Help us keep running these numbers on up, man. It's Sunday, back at the shop, early morning, back on the grind. As y'all seen yesterday, man, we was clearing this out, power washing this. We over in here getting it in. We got this whole left side of the garage cleaned out. We had to go rent a power washer because somebody done broke the power washer we had. You see it's still junky on this side. We want to clean out the right side out next. Once I get this other storage container. But yeah, we trying to degrease the flow. Spray the flow real good. I got some paint out there. We're going to paint the flows black. And then epoxy them. We remodeling the whole back garage. We about to semi-remodel the middle garage. You see the old school Chevy right there. Old school Vert. Y'all see what's new right here. We done punched this wall out. About to remodel this right here. We opened this up. About to continue patch these holes from where the wall was at, mud it, paint. We're gonna build a checkout desk right here. That way all the JDS stuff, everybody, all the customers can come in and get checked out right here. So yeah, we're gonna finish redoing that and finish redoing this back room, man. That's what it takes sometimes. Early mornings, late nights, grind. And sometimes you just gotta do stuff yourself, man. When you don't wanna wait, when you wanna get stuff done, you just gotta do it yourself, man. So yeah, you see me, I got the big poncho on, cause that stupid hose right here was spraying everywhere. So I got this poncho on, y'all see me. So make sure y'all go subscribe, hit that post notification bell, man. And let's keep running these numbers up. Look like it done dried up. Like it done dried up. All them little small little oil spots and stuff. It's power washing. There's a couple little puddles right here still. Had that fan going all night. So we're gonna be painting this side of the garage today. We got everything moved over there. So we're gonna go ahead and paint this side of the garage. Got my paint tray right there set up. Got this what is it, 18-inch? What is this roller I got? I got the big one. Try to make it easier on myself. Which one was this? 18-inch. Got this 18-inch roller. It's been so long since I painted anything. We gotta try to start cutting it in. I might have should have got a smaller roller, I'm thinking. I don't know. Let's see what we got here, y'all. We're gonna be painting this today, and then we're gonna try to get outside. What's it get up to 60 today outside? So we're gonna try to get in traffic. Should we take old school out in traffic today? 72? I don't know. We're gonna see. Let's see what we got here, y'all. Let's try and wait for it to warm up. Turn this heat up. Let it warm up. So we're gonna try to cut everything in the corners and the edges first. Is it taking? Look like it's taking, y'all. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned, man. I'll show y'all what the finished product look like. Alright, fam, we had to take a break from that painting real quick, man. My back was starting to hurt. We had to get outside. That sun done came out. We on the highway, about to pull up to this little car meet real quick. Little, Ohio Prosteet. First meet of the season. This, I don't know what the temperature is. Let's see what the temperature is. Let's go home. 55 degrees. 55 out today. We in big dually truck. It ain't quite warm enough to pull out the veg at the C8. Plus it's crazy potholes up here in Ohio, so I don't want to risk bending no fortune, bending no wheel. I got my dog with me. See, he chilling, fresh to death. Blue, you ready to pull up on them?
Take exit 101A to merge onto I-71.
You ready to pull up on these fools? Oh, gee, y'all. We outside, about to go up here real quick. Then we gonna go back to the shop and finish that paint job. I got about 2/3 of it done. I got one more section. I had to go back to the store and get a paintbrush so I can cut the edges in, because I forgot to get all I had was the roller. So we're gonna go back, finish rolling that, and see what else we can get done up at the shop today. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Ready to come outside. Color cars. Look at the barking at people, man. Chill out, dude.
Quit it!
Boy, chill out before you get ate out here. Up in big dually truck, y'all.
Yeah.
Hella cars out here. Nah. It's in the garage. Chillin', chillin'. Got this right here, boy. The cars. I don't know if I done seen this one or not. He got the motor painted. Got the tribute on the top of the hood. Scat right here. We got the Lero right here.
That might be real.
Everybody back outside, it look like. Got the black and yellow Mero. Excuse me, you fine. Got the Challenger. I remember this one with that man on the hood. They got the Dark Knight on there. Damn. With the suicide, I mean not the suicide, with the Lamborghini doors. Right here with the lights on it. My man's Charger right here. SRT on light on the front. Oh, I hear cars everywhere. JDS commercial tire, Alan speaking. Yes, I've got something started. Yeah, yup. You want to be on? Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. You're going to be on the video. Go hit that post notification bell and like all the videos. Damn. What do you do different to this? I feel like this is different than what it was. They got the pink seats in it. He got the somebody smoking that gas, somebody smoking them backwoods. Right here. Whoa, the red interior. I like that red.
Friends come out of the they didn't like the this, but now I got this.
Man, why you wanna act stupid, man? What else we got here, y'all? It feels good. I don't even got no jacket on, y'all. The Jeep, just a regular Jeep SRT. Unknown, ain't no badges on it. Got this for lightning right here. It's one of y'all's car trucks? No. A little bit quicker than paint wall. Right. You got to go run into one of them. We got the antenna on there. What else we got out here? Whip to was a hellcat, the Mustang racing. When we pulled in, I couldn't get the camera out fast enough. What is it, a drone? Somebody got a drone up there. Lexus. There we go. They stopped that music to record. They got two of them on here.
This is a good number.
Two of them on
I
here.
can tell you, Lil
JDS commercial tire, Alan speaking. And it's yep, it'd be around 250 taxes and the taxes in the shop fee, it'd be around 250. I understand. You said is he coming empty or is he coming with a trailer? Okay, sounds good. Right, I understand that. No problem. Alright, back to record. Subaru. They got the carbon fiber on there. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. Said it was more cars here earlier. 6'2". I see it. It's a cat right here. Black on black cat. Automatic. Track wheels on there, boy. You ready to race? miss my cat, but we gotta get another cat. I ain't gonna lie. I think I done seen this one before too. One bad vet. It's a C6. Nasty. We got the purple cat. This one, red eye, not the regular cat. Green belt on there. It's got the red eye back, red eye on the motor, and it got the green belt, but it don't got the red eye out here. I don't know, y'all. This ain't what's her name? Dang, messed up. Tesla over here. Let's see what else we can find. Got the GTR right here. GTR this is. I can't remember nobody's name. Carbon fiber door panels. Door handles. Let's see what else they got. It's time to get back to this bridge. They got hella stuff out here. Phone keep ringing, boom, bunking. It's time to get back to this money, y'all. Let's see what else we found. All right, fam, we back to business, man. Had to shoot to the car show, man. Take a break and hit that little jug real quick. Them tire plays, knock that workout. We got to hurry up and lead us. Ohio Prosteet. We got some service calls, but this the where we left off at before we went to the car show. That's what it's gonna look like. This done drag.
NBA blacktop.
I ain't like the color at first, but now it looks straight. Got it drag. I don't really think I should have went lighter or darker. That's still kind of wet. I'm about to finish this up right now, so stay tuned. I'll show y'all the aftermath when it's all done.